Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is an honest review of a wig that I had to pay for. So of course it's going to be an honest review of Night by Wille. And this is in the color, this isn't tobacco lighted. This is candy blonde. I have two of these, so I must have switched the tags around. But this is the candy blonde, I assure you. Okay, so here's the thing. I want to just jump right into this. I think this wig is really cute, but I hate this cap construction. Have any of you guys bought any of these changes wigs that have that little sliver of a lace front? I hate that. To me, that just seems like a blatant cash grab when manufacturers do that. I also kind of have a similar sentiment about monofilament crowns. Not a big fan. I think they should just make it completely open cap and leave that permatease there so the price stays down. Maybe that's just me. Or open cap with the full lace front. Those are my preferences. It is awkward to have this kind of lace because it doesn't have enough structural support around it. So see, when I try to actually style this off the face at all, which you really can't do with this wig, it lifts up immediately. So good thing it's got this bang because it kind of encourages you to wear it down. But then again, it leads me to the statement of what the heck is the point of even putting that stupid fake lace front on there at all when this bang is perfectly fine. This style is super cute, styled with the hair down like this. So why? Why? Did they have to put that little sliver of a lace front on there? It's so superfluous. Okay, enough griping and being grumpy about that part of this because you know me, I'm always looking for a bargain. I know you guys are too, and I hate it when it looks like something is unnecessary and just there to rack up the price. That drives me nuts. If you like that sort of honesty, even though I sell these things, subscribe, share with a friend, consider joining us on Patreon because I use that money to pay for these products. So honestly, I'm paying a lot more out of pocket right now than I make on Patreon or have ever historically made on Patreon. But if you build it, they will come, right? So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna get to the part I like now. I like this wig. I like this style. I love this color because it's almost identical to the Melted Marshmallow by Renee of Paris. I mean, This is slightly lighter, right? Because the rooting's not as long as on the Melted Marshmallow, but the colors are incredibly similar. And it is kind of that nice melted fade effect where the ends are a little bit lighter on this candy blonde. So I like this wig. I like the color. I like the texture. It fits really nicely too, which is shocking because usually Wille wigs are super like tight on me because I have such a big head. But this is open capped enough that it actually fits really nicely. And it's so stinking cute on. That in and of itself may be enough to justify this wig at this price point, even if you don't like the things I was griping about earlier. I think that it is genuinely an adorable wig. You can't move the part around. It is over here to the side. You wouldn't want to anyway because that's the only place with that lace and everything is kind of styled around it. So you really are stuck with the left hand part. Let me go ahead and show you the cap construction so you can see the rest of what I was getting on about. Let's take a look at the cap here on Night by Wille. Before I get too far ahead of myself, I wanted to just kind of call attention to my biggest beef with this style. I have never understood why some of these changes wigs have like just a tiny little sliver of a lace front. Can you see that? It just kind of goes from here to here. And there's the whole top of this wig. It's hard to keep it in place, so keep in mind that that is a factor here and kind of a negative about this cap construction in my opinion. But the wig is really cute, the style is really nice, and the fit is going to be fantastic if you are of, you know, the average or petite average circumference persuasion. This is going to fit like a glove. And there's some really nice premium features here with this night wig too. You get an extended felt nape. You can see there's a little bit of a thread sticking out here. But hey, I'm not gonna edit that out because I want you to see it. And then you can see this adjusts with Velcro here in the back. This is a little stretchier than your average Ellen Wille wig, and part of that's because this is one of the Changes collection styles, and they are fashion wigs. You're gonna get quite a bit of hair in the back. You can see lots of wefts, and they're all banded together with elastic. There is felt here on the ear tabs with that little bit of metal to help keep it flush up against the sides of your head. And the top of this wig does have permatease. So I really like this one, and you know, I think it's fun. I might actually keep this and wear it this summer because it's a nice short length and it has a really nice open cap construction in most places on top, so it's gonna be really comfortable on. In fact, I think this is lightweight enough that this would be an excellent summer style. So you take the good, you take the bad, you take them all, and then you have a CysterWigs wig review. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to AKGG and all of my patrons on Patreon. You know I love you. And I love everybody who shops with our store. Thank you so much for supporting us, because, I mean, this has been rough during this pandemic, but knowing that you guys support me and really have faith in what I'm doing here and that you trust me. It's a lot of responsibility, yeah, but it's very, very inspiring, and it makes me want to do my best for you every day. So hopefully that's coming through. Big hugs to you guys, and until next time, have a great night. Bye everybody, stay safe.